and go to the next problem. So the next problem, 8 friends P, Q, R, S, T, V, W and Y are sitting around a square table. In the last problem, we just discussed only a circular arrangement and the linear arrangement problem. But right now, we are going to discussing the square table. Here, 8 persons or 8 friends are sitting around a square table. Entire information we stored it 1. Here the 8 friends are sitting in the square table and 4 of them are sit in the corner side and 4 of them sit in the middle. 4 of them sit in the middle. Once again, for your understanding, I'll go with the 2. Okay, 2 square table, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Those who are sit in the corner side, they are facing the center. It means our left, our right, our left, our right. And those who sit in the middle, they are facing the outside. They are facing the outside. It means facing the outside should be reverse. Left becomes to the right and right becomes to the left. And here also. Then entire information is going to stored in one table. What we will do it? Simple, we identifying the which element is repeating the maximum time. In this given information, the P element repeating the 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. That is the reason I taken P as the first and here P is facing the center. It means P is facing the center. Again, I am writing P also here. Next, identifying the relative element relates to the P. One is Y is not a immediate neighbor of P. I write Y does not come here, Y does not come here. Again, Y does not come here and Y does not come here. Next, one person sit between P and V. You just taken as this is the third. Why? Because we have the direct statement related to the P. It means S sits third right of P. We know exactly P should be here. P's third right means first right, second right and third right. S should be here. S should be here. After that, we go with that P and V. Only a one person sit between P and V. What we have to do it? Simple. You should write only a okay, P's third right S. Again I write here S also here. P and V, we just write. I am going to write is where should Y? Again look at the S. S is not a neighbor of Y. It's not a neighbor of Y. Is it clear? First I go with taken as P because P is repeating the maximum time, then P is facing the center. Next I did just simple P is the neighbor. It is nothing but Y is not a neighbor of P, Y is not a neighbor of P. After that, direct statement, S sits third right of P. P is first right, second right and third right. S should be here. After that, only a one person. Before going to the P, we should identifying the relative statement of S. It means S is not a neighbor of Y. S is not a neighbor of Y. Only a one possibility, sorry, two possibility. Y should come here or Y should come here, or Y should come here or Y should come here. First I write Y is here, and second possibility Y I write here. Is it clear? After that, look at one more. P and V, we have the one person. P and V have the one person. Here P is here, one person cannot write V is here because already I placed Y is here. That is the reason I write V is here. Then what next? Suppose P is here, again I am writing V is, okay, write V is here. V is here. After what we will do? Simple. V is relative statement. It is nothing but V is not a neighbor of Q. It means Q does not come here, Q does not come here, and Q does not come here, and Q does not come here. After that, look at the one more statement. T sits third right of R. Again R is facing the center. R is facing the center. Only a one possibility in a first square table, R should be right here. Suppose I'll write R here, first right, second right, and third right. Who's there? T is here. T is here. Then R where should write here? R I write here, first right, second right, and third right. Already Y is there, definitely R should not come here. Next, R only a one possibility. Suppose I write R here, first right, second right, and third right. But look at here, Y is not a neighbor of R. Then definitely this cannot be follow this arrangement. Only a one, this is should be followed. Next, V is not neighbor of Q. Definitely Q should come here. Who's the remaining person? That is W. Is it clear? When we have the square table, first we have to store it entire information in a one single table. After that, we will draw the two square table or two square table arrangement, then go with the option. This is the time for the cross verification what we have done this problem. First, S third right of P. P first right, second right, and third right. S definitely here. After that, T third right of R. R is here. First right, second right, and third right. T should be here. Next, P and V. Only a one person, P and V is here. Next, Y is not a neighbor of PRS. Definitely Y is not a neighbor of PRS. Y is the neighbor of Q and T. Next, Y is not the neighbor of R. Here also Y is not a neighbor of R. Next, Q is not a neighbor of V. Definitely Q is not a neighbor of V. Next, PR facing the center. PR facing the center, and Y, V also facing the center. Why? Because out of the 8 members, 4 members or 4 friends are sitting in a corner. Those who are sit and facing the center, and remaining will facing the outside. And this is what we have done it exactly correct. And look at the questions are asking based on this arrangement. Look at the first question. Go to the first question. If all the persons are made to sit alphabetical order in clockwise direction starting from P. It means just start from P is here, the clockwise direction. It means you have to go with the P. After that alphabetical order, Q should be here, Q next, R should be here, R next, S next, T next, what should come? P, Q, R, S, T. Next, V, Y, and W. P, Q, R, S, T, V, Y, and W. They are asking how many of the position remaining unchanged. It is nothing but only a one person, the position remaining unchanged. Why? P in the place of P, it should be excluded. After that, T place we have Q. Next Y place R is here. Next Q place S is here. Then R place T is here. And S place V is here. And V is Y is here. But W and W it should be exactly match. It is nothing but option number 2. That is 1. Only a one person, W is alphabetically exactly correct. Next, which of the following is true regarding the Y? They are asking the true statement regarding Y. Look at the first question. T is not an immediate neighbor of Y, but T is the neighbor of Y. Definitely this is false. Next one, Y sit in the middle of the side. It is also wrong. Why? Because Y in the corner side. Next, R sit second left of Y. Look at here. Y second left, first left and second left should be R is here. Once again I am repeating, Y's second left. This is first left and second left, R should be here. Definitely this is the true regarding the statement. Why? R sit second left of Y. Then remaining definitely wrong. Next, P and V are immediate neighbor of Y. Definitely it is wrong. Why? Because T and Q are the immediate neighbor of Y. Next one, none is true. It is not P possible. Next question, who amongst the following sit fourth left of V? V is fourth left. V is here. V is fourth left. This is first left, second left, third left and fourth left. Y is here. The option number 1 is the answer for this question. Next one, what is the Q position with respect to R? What is the Q's position with respect to R? See, where is R is here? R is here. Then R to Q. It is nothing but immediate right. Immediate right, Q is here. Then the answer for this question, immediate right, not immediate to the left. What is Q position with respect to R? It means that the Q person sit immediate right of the R. Is it clear?